In a world where technology is evolving at an unprecedented rate, it's hard to keep up with the latest inventions that are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. But today we're going to showcase 10 incredible inventions that are so mind-blowing, you won't believe they exist. These innovations are not only impressive in their own right, but also have the potential to change the world as we know it. Each invention on this list is a testament to human creativity, perseverance, and determination. So get ready to be amazed, because these inventions will truly leave you speechless. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Number 1. The BMW Electrified Wingsuit. The BMW Electrified Wingsuit is an innovative project that has combined the thrill of flying with the latest technology in electric mobility. This project was a collaboration between BMW Design Works and professional skydiver Peter Salzman. The wingsuit features a lightweight carbon fiber frame with small electric impellers that generate thrust, allowing the wearer to gain altitude and fly through the air. The BMW Electrified Wingsuit is not only a showcase of BMW's technological innovation, but also highlights the brand's commitment to sustainability. The suit uses state-of-the-art battery technology and sustainable materials while emitting zero emissions during flight. The BMW Electrified Wingsuit has been tested by Salzman, who achieved a vertical drop of 1,800 meters, flying at a top speed of 300 kilometers. This project demonstrates the potential for electric propulsion in extreme sports and the limitless possibilities of electric mobility. The BMW Electrified Wingsuit is a testament to BMW's ongoing efforts to push the boundaries of innovation and sustainability. Number 2. Open Bionics x Konami Venom Hero Bionic Arm. Open Bionics has partnered with video game developer Konami to create a bionic arm inspired by the popular character, Venom Snake, from the Metal Gear Solid video game franchise. The arm is designed for amputees and features a striking black and red color scheme with intricate details reminiscent of the character's cybernetic arm. The Venom Hero arm uses 3D printing technology to create a lightweight, customizable design that fits the wearer's specific needs. It also includes a range of intuitive features, such as muscle sensors that enable the user to control the arm through muscle movements. Not only is the Venom Hero arm a functional prosthetic, but it also provides wearers with a sense of identity and self-expression. It allows amputees to feel like a superhero, and the attention to detail in the design is sure to impress even the most die-hard fans of the Metal Gear Solid franchise. Number 3. Virtuix Omni 1 VR Treadmill. The Virtuix Omni 1 VR Treadmill is a cutting-edge virtual reality (VR) gaming accessory that is set to take immersive gaming to the next level. Designed to mimic the sensation of walking and running, the Omni 1 VR treadmill allows gamers to physically move within a virtual environment. This device can track a player's movements in all directions, allowing for complete freedom of movement in the virtual world. The Omni 1 VR treadmill comes equipped with a harness that supports the player's body weight, providing a safe and comfortable experience. The Omni 1 VR treadmill is designed to be used with a VR headset, providing an immersive gaming experience that is unlike any other. Players can explore virtual worlds, battle enemies, and even race against other players, all while getting a full-body workout. With its innovative design and advanced technology, the Virtuix Omni 1 VR treadmill is set to revolutionize the gaming industry, offering gamers a new level of immersion and physical activity that was previously not possible. Number 4. Microsoft Autonomous Robots with Azure Cloud. Microsoft has been making strides in the world of autonomous robots with its Azure Cloud platform. By combining the power of cloud computing with robotics, Microsoft is able to create more intelligent and efficient robots than ever before. Azure Cloud allows these robots to access vast amounts of data, which they can use to make better decisions and adapt to changing situations in real time. One of the major benefits of using Azure Cloud for robotics is the ability to remotely monitor and control robots from anywhere in the world. This means that companies can operate their robots in multiple locations without having to physically be there, saving time and money. Microsoft's autonomous robots are already being used in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. As technology continues to improve, we can expect to see even more applications for these intelligent machines in the near future. Number 5. Elite sang hello from the weather temperature machine. Elite Sang is a talented artist and designer who has gained widespread recognition for her innovative and thought-provoking projects. One of her most notable works is Hello from the Weather Temperature Machine, an installation that explores the relationship between humans and nature. An installation is a large-scale machine that is capable of simulating different weather conditions, including rain, snow, and wind. Visitors can interact with the machine and experience the different temperatures and sensations associated with each weather condition. The installation is not only visually stunning but also serves as a commentary on the impact of climate change on our daily lives. By creating a sensory experience that replicates different weather conditions, Elite Sang encourages visitors to think about the ways in which climate change is affecting our planet and how we can work towards a more sustainable future. Number 6. Science Robotics Robeetle Insect-Sized Microbot. The Science Robotics Robeetle is an incredible insect-sized microbot that has been developed by a team of researchers at the University of California, Berkeley. This tiny robot is modeled after a beetle and is able to mimic its movements using artificial muscles made from a special shape memory alloy. These muscles allow the robeetle to crawl, climb, and even take off in flight. What's even more impressive is that this microbot is able to generate its power using a small methanol fuel cell that converts methanol into electrical energy. With its impressive capabilities and small size, the robeetle has the potential to be used in a wide range of applications, from search and rescue missions to environmental monitoring. Number 7. Sony Spatial Reality Display. The Sony Spatial Reality Display is a revolutionary piece of technology that has been designed to take virtual reality to the next level. Unlike traditional VR headsets, the Spatial Reality Display creates a 3D image that can be viewed without the need for any additional equipment. The display uses advanced technology to track the viewer's eyes and adjust the image accordingly, creating a truly immersive experience. The display is also compatible with a wide range of software, including CAD and 3D modeling programs, making it a valuable tool for professionals in a variety of industries. With the Sony Spatial Reality Display, users can step into a world of virtual reality like never before. Number 8. Handjet EBS 260 Handheld Anywhere Printer. The Handjet EBS 260 Handheld Anywhere Printer is a revolutionary device that is changing the way we think about portable printing. Designed to be used anywhere, this handheld printer can be taken to remote job sites, construction sites, or even used on the go. It's perfect for printing on a wide range of materials, including metal, plastic, glass, and more. With its easy-to-use interface, the Handjet EBS 260 makes it simple to print logos, text, and even barcodes on any surface. The device uses a rechargeable battery and can print up to 40,000 characters per charge. Whether you're in the field or on the go, the Handjet EBS 260 is the perfect solution for all your portable printing needs. Number 9. Revo Hubless e-bike. The Revo Hubless e-bike is an innovative electric bike that stands out from the rest with its unique design and advanced features. This bike has no traditional spokes or hubs, giving it a sleek and futuristic appearance. The wheel is mounted directly to the rim, making it more aerodynamic and easier to maintain. The bike also has a powerful electric motor that provides a smooth and efficient ride, with a top speed of up to 25 miles per hour. Other features include a fingerprint recognition system, GPS tracking, and built-in front and rear lights. With its impressive technology and modern design, the Revo Hubless e-bike is a great option for those looking for a high-performance and stylish electric bike. Number 10. Adidas GMR. Adidas GMR is a unique and innovative product that combines sports, technology, and gaming. It is a smart insole that can be placed inside any Adidas football boot to track and analyze the user's on-field performance. The insole has a built-in sensor that captures data, such as the number of kicks, sprints, distance covered, and speed. This data is then sent to a mobile app where users can monitor their progress, set goals, and compete with friends. What sets Adidas GMR apart from other similar products is that it has a unique gaming aspect. The app allows users to connect with EA Sports' FIFA mobile game, where their real-life performance is translated into in-game rewards and boosts. This integration has made Adidas GMR an exciting and popular product among football fans, gamers, and athletes. With Adidas GMR, users can not only improve their on-field performance but also have fun while doing so. These 10 inventions are just a small sample of the incredible technologies that are shaping our world. From the smallest gadgets to the most complex machines, innovation is all around us. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can only imagine what amazing inventions the future holds. So which of these inventions do you think is the most mind-blowing? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible content like this. Thanks for watching.